Pokémon Trading Card Game, originally released in Japan as Pokémon Card GB, is a video game adaptation of the original tabletop trading card game of the same name, which in turn was based on the Pokémon role-playing video game series. Developed by Hudson Soft and Creatures, and published by Nintendo, it was initially released in Japan on December 18, 1998, with an English version appearing in North America in April 10, 2000 and in Europe the following December. The title features digital versions of cards from the first three sets of the trading card game originally released in English by Wizards of the Coast between 1998 and 1999, as well as exclusive cards not available outside of the game. A second Game Boy Color game, Pokémon Card GB2, Great Rocket-Dan Sanjō, was released in Japan on March 28, 2001. The sequel was not released in North America or Europe.